friends, my name is Krishna and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami flapping bird. So the materials you need are a rectangular piece of A4 size printer paper, a scissors, a pair of scissors, it's optional, and a sketch pen. Even this is optional. So we'll start. Take this corner of the rectangle paper and just fold it here, and now this line should be aligned with this line. So now join them and make a crease just like this. Now you unfold it and you see a diagonal line going from here to here, and then fold it back. Now you take the pair of scissors and you have to cut this extra piece out so that you get a square. So now you unfold it and you get a square piece of paper, and there's a diagonal line going from here to here. So now take this corner and fold it here and make a good crease. So after that you get a parallel line and a diagonal, and then take this side and fold this edge to this edge just like this, and now you get a plus sign and a diagonal. Fold it back to the diagonal and you have to take this corner and fold it till here. So you take this just like this and fold it here, just fold it like this. Your paper will look something like this. So after that take this corner and fold it here back. So after that you will get a diamond shaped or a square shaped thing. Make it a diamond and take the top fold and fold it like this. Take the second side and fold it like that. It may be up and down, but it's still okay. Take these two lines also and fold them. So after you do that, you will get something which looks like this. Can you see this top fold? Take this down, how much it goes forward, and then take it backward too. After you have done that, open the first two, and now we are going to do the petal fold, a very tricky fold. So take this top fold and push it till these two corners come inside. So after you do that, these two corners will come inside like this. Do the same thing to the other side. If your paper is fiddling, then take the diamond shape back, take the folds back, do it back again, and now do the petal fold. So now you will get something which looks like this. You can see two legs here. So now fold it aside, open this. You can see this. You fold it upwards right like this and you fold it back. You take it a bit in front and do the same thing with the other side. You take it more than this, and it's going to be the head. So pinch it, fold it just like this. It's almost over. Now these are going to be the wings, and you fold it just like this near the head, in the side of the head, and do the same thing to the other. Now after you do that, you can see these two folds. Just fold them like that so that it can be able to stand just like this. And now see the flap. Catch this and pull this. Catch this and pull. The wings will start flapping. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and see all of my videos.